What's going on, everyone? It's Marco Hanna, and 2 weeks ago, LG announced the LG G Flex 2, the successor to the first generation LG G Flex. And while we got some decent amount of hands-on time with it, we also wanted to put it up next to its brother, the LG G3. These two share a lot of commonalities, including form factor and design. So first of all, let's go ahead and get the specs right out of the way. Starting off with the LG G3, it's packed with a 2.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor, 3 GB of RAM, the Adreno 330 GPU, and a 3000 mAh battery inside a near bezel-less casing. It also has a 5.5-inch Quad HD IPS display, which was and still is very beautiful. Over onto the LG G Flex 2, we're looking at a 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 810 processor with 3 GB of RAM, and most likely the Adreno 430 GPU, and a 3000 mAh battery inside with the same bezel-less near display. The screen size also measures in at 5.5 inches, but instead of Quad HD, it's a 1080p panel. Also, it's curved to fit the flex build of the LG G Flex 2. You can definitely see the same design language throughout these two devices, but the commonalities do not stop there. On the back of these two devices, you can find the same 13 megapixel camera with built-in OIS and laser autofocus, the two features that debuted with the LG G3 back in the summer of 2014. These two technologies also impress us with the image quality and lightning fast autofocus, so we definitely don't expect any less from the LG G Flex 2. Next, it's time to switch gears and hit up the software. The LG G3, when it first shipped, came with Android 4.4 KitKat, with the biggest update to the LG custom user interface, which dialed a lot of those features down. But now the Android 5.0 Lollipop update is slowly making its rounds to different countries, with America still in its waiting list. On the LG G Flex 2, we are currently running the latest version of Android 5.0 Lollipop with the next iteration of LG's custom skin, but honestly, it didn't appear too different. Actually, I could hardly tell if it weren't for those redesigned on-screen home buttons. But the feel of the software is identical to the LG G3. Now the question is, should I wait for the LG G Flex 2 to hit the markets, or go ahead and buy the readily available LG G3? Well, we can definitely say the LG G4 is likely coming in the next 4 to 5 months, and to be completely and personally honest here, the LG G Flex 2 is only appealing to those who like the weird nature of the flexible curved device, or those who are attracted to Buick Red. So our best advice is to wait and see what else LG has on the table later this year. Obviously, the LG G4 will be their big flagship of the year. So make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great videos here from the Phone Dog YouTube channel. And as always, my name is Marco Hanna, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.